Hello everybody. In this Flash and Actionscript 3 lesson, which is geared for Flash CS3 or Flash CS4, we are going to show you how to auto center items on your stage. Any objects or movie clips that you want that can be given an instance name, you can auto center them with a couple of lines of code, and this is handy for image galleries. And I'm going to draw out a circle. And let's get a blue center there. So I'm going to draw out the circle, and I have a rectangle already on stage behind the circle on my stuff layer, and above the stuff layer I have an actions layer, and that's where we'll put the action script. And it's just 2 lines of code, and this is really simple. I just wanted to show the code and give reference to it because I'll be going to the code myself frequently for different projects to grab it. I always forget how to code things out, so I like to house a lot of things that develop PHP so I can go back there and get to the code. So what we'll do is convert this to a movie clip symbol, convert to symbol, and this will be target object, movie clip, registration can be center, that's fine. And then we'll give it the instance name of target object. So now it has an instance name target object, and now we go into our actions layer and highlight that frame and press F9 to open the actions panel. Now let's see what position we're at with this circle. 67.5 and 62.5. I'll put it at even coordinates, and now we'll put in the code. So we'll say the target object, which is the instance name on the circle, which is now a movie clip because I converted it to a movie clip, equals stage dot stage width times 1/2. So we put a 0.5 to represent 1/2, and then the next line is going to be very similar. So we'll just copy that and paste to the next line, and we'll change width to height, and we'll change the X to Y. So this takes the X coordinates, first line takes the X coordinates, and the second line takes the Y coordinates and places it center stage by dividing the stage in half, and then setting the object's Y coordinates and X coordinates to that exact position, if that makes any sense. If you have any questions about this code and it's mind-boggling to you, you can just head into the forums that develop PHP and ask a question. But like I said, let's go ahead and publish out, and booyah, there it is, center stage. This is really handy for if you're making video players to center the video holder movie clip, if you make custom video players, or if you're making image galleries, dynamic image galleries that are bringing in different size images. Say you have an image that's a little bit wider, and then another image that's a little bit more narrow. You want them to have a center stage. This is a good code to use for that. And I'm going to put this code up at develop PHP, and I'll just put the whole FLA up there. That way everybody can get to the code and have a good working example. So there it is. You see the object's not in the center in Flash, and then when we publish out, it arrives in the center stage thanks to the code that we wrote with these 2 lines. Okay, we'll see you next lesson.